Hello viewers and welcome to another episode of Excel Learning. Today we are going to talk about the second capsule which is on converting number to words, that is Indian National Rupee in Excel. Let us begin our journey. Before that, in case you have not already subscribed, do consider subscribing if you like the content and hit the bell icon to receive a notification as a new video is released. Now let us start our journey. Couple of days back, a dear friend of mine asked me this question. Hey, Saurav, my boss has asked me to convert a series of numbers into text. How do I go about the same? So I discussed with him and we talked about the solution. And that's when I decided why not make a video about it? Maybe many people would find it useful. So let's see the classic use case of this. Many freelancers do invoicing in Excel. In that scenario, what happens is while your uh, number will change here, you manually need to edit the number over here. So every time, let's say it's 10 lakh rupees, you need to write manually 10 lakh. If it is, let's say, 5 lakh, you need to manually change it to 5 lakhs. Hey, wait, can't this be automated? Let us see. If I now change the number from 10 lakh to 5 lakh, I've not yet clicked on enter. I'll click on enter right away. You see the amount changed here. Similarly, if I just make it 1100, the amount changes here, rupees 1100 only. So that's the automation that we are going to talk about, and trust me, it's going to be super easy, and it's as good as a capsule as the name suggests. Now let's see how to go about the same. So what we are going to do is I'm just going to take this invoice and copy it somewhere. So I'm just copying it and I'll paste it in a new Excel workbook. Let me just remove the grid lines. Yeah, and that this is where we want the amount to appear. So what we are going to do is we need to take a VBA code. This VBA code is available with me in this txt file. For you, I'll be pasting it in the description section of the video, so you can directly copy from there and paste it. You don't need to edit anything. Just select the code, control A, control C, that will copy the code. Then we'll come to this Excel. Inside, next, we are going to click on Alt plus F11 to activate the VBA screen. This will activate the VBA screen for us, where we are going to create a new module and enter the text that we have copied. How the screen will open. Just click on Insert tab and click on Module. Once you do that, a blank screen like this will open, wherein you just need to press Ctrl V. Ctrl V will paste the code over here. Press Ctrl S. You can just save it as yes and escape. Now we will now just come over here and we will type equal to spell Indian. This is a customized formula that we have created by using the VBA code that we just copied and pasted inside a new module, and we'll select the cell where the number is and bracket close. That's all. Now whatever comes over here will be converted into rupees text automatically. Do let me know in the comment section of the video if you liked it or if you have any suggestions. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.